What are USCIS waivers, and why do you need them? A waiver is a request to overlook or forgive your past actions. These are actions that USCIS might consider immigration mistakes. These past actions prevent you from getting a green card. USCIS has a name for these mistakes: grounds of inadmissibility. If you saw my previous video, you'd know that some common grounds of inadmissibility are criminal convictions, health-related issues, immigration violations, and fraud or misrepresentation. And you can overcome these grounds of inadmissibility by applying for waivers. All right, so let's talk about these waivers. The first one is the I-601 waiver, or the extreme hardship waiver. You'll apply for this waiver if you're an immediate relative of a US citizen or a green card holder. An immediate relative is a spouse, parent, or child. So the theory is that these immediate relatives, spouses, parent, or children, would face extreme hardship if they're separated from you. The second one is the I-601A waiver. You'd apply for this waiver if your green card interview is at an embassy or consulate that's outside the US. But your unlawful presence here in the US would prevent you from coming back. So in other words, if you have unlawful presence and you left the US, in some cases you're not going to be able to come back, even though you go through your interview. But if this waiver is approved, you'd be given permission to come back to the US. The third one is the I-212 waiver. It basically allows individuals previously deported from the US to seek permission to come back. And then there's the VAWA. So this waiver is available to certain abused spouses, children, or parents of US citizens, or even green card holders. Look, if you're finding this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with people who might find it helpful. Now that we know about the types of waivers, let's break down the process of obtaining one. Identify eligibility. So determine which type of waiver fits your circumstances. Gather evidence that supports your case, such as documents showing extreme hardship or proof of relationship. Fill out the appropriate USCIS form for the specific waiver that you're applying. Submit the application. Mail your application package to the designated USCIS address and pay the required fees. USCIS will review your application and may request additional evidence or just schedule your interview. And finally, prepare for your consular processing. So if your waiver is approved, you can just apply for a green card. These USCIS waivers are pretty intricate, and a small mistake in your application could lead to delays or even denials. I would advise to seek guidance from an experienced immigration attorney who can basically just ensure that your application is strong and complete. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the USCIS waivers and how to secure them. Like always, remember that each case is unique, and it's crucial to carefully assess your situation and follow the specific instructions for the waiver you're applying. If you want to find out more about grounds of inadmissibility, check out this video.